Good day, everyone. I am here to discuss with you how to correct the SightWord knowledge deficit. But before that, we need to know what a SightWord is. SightWord is the ability to recognize the word used by just reading it. Recognizing words by sight helps students to become faster and more fluent readers. Sight words are very important for your student to master because, believe it or not, it accounts for up to 75% of the words used in beginning children's printed material. There are different sight words for every grade level. Each set of words builds upon the other, meaning to say that once your child learns the sight words in kindergarten, he will be expected to still recognize those words as he learns new words in first grade and so forth. In this video, you will see how we can help our students to become familiar with difficult and new words. Here are the steps to follow. First step, write a sentence on the chalkboard with the new word used in context. Underline the word. In this matter, let us use the sentence, Stella became melancholic because of the sudden death of her dog. The new word is melancholic. Second step, let students read the sentence and attempt to say the new word using context clues along with other word attack skills. Take note that if you are introducing a new story, it is especially important that you do not tell them each new word in advance, as this deprives them of the opportunity to apply word attack skills themselves. Context clues are hints found within a sentence, paragraph, or passages that a reader can use to understand the meanings of a new or unfamiliar words. Third step, discuss the meaning of the word or how it is used in talking and writing. Try to tie it to something in their experience. If possible, illustrate the word with a picture or a concrete object. Using our example, we can discuss with our students that the word melancholic is an adjective and it is a feeling or expressing pensive sadness. We can use the word melancholic by expressing our thoughts if we are sad and if we are in great sorrow. Fourth step, write the word as students watch. Ask them to look for certain configuration clues such as double letters, extenders, and dissenters. Also, ask them to look for any well-known phonograms or word families like ill, and ache. But do not call attention to little words in longer words. Fifth step, ask students to write the word themselves and to be sure to have them say the word while they are writing it. Let them use the context clues to create their own sentences using the new word. In our example, let them use the word melancholic in their own sentence and by describing what they are feeling. Lastly, have students make up and write sentences in which the word is used in context. Have them read these sentences to each other and discuss them. That's all. Thank you for watching.